Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a Shein try on haul. I ordered a couple of things from Shein the other day and I was so impressed with a lot of the items that I received, so I wanted to share it with you guys. As you know that Shein could be a hit or miss, but most of the items I received I was pretty impressed with. Always read the reviews and go by the size chart on Shein website. It's definitely a major help, the reviews. If you want to see what I got, please continue to watch. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. Never buy full price from Shein. Also guys, you could always find a 20% off coupon online. I usually just Google Shein 20% off coupon and use that code, whatever code I find. First up is this strappy heel, and I have it here in a size 7.5. I did size down from my usual 8.5, and I know I needed to size down because I purchased it before and I had to give it to my mom because it was too big on me. I absolutely love these heels. They're available in several different colors and the price is $23. It has a square toe and it is a strappy heel sandals, and these heels are only 3 inches about, I want to say, and I love the shape of these heels. I could definitely wear them all day, so definitely pick these up if you're looking for some cute strappy sandals. Also, green is very on trend this spring, so definitely pick this up in green. You could definitely dress this up and you could dress it down. Next up are these square toe heels, and I'm wearing a size 8, half size down from my regular size. These are available in several different colors and the price is $23. I love the square toe detail on these heels, very on trend, and I love that the straps are padded so I don't feel like this is digging into my feet. It also has a little bit of padding, so these are very comfortable in general. But be warned guys, these are some super high heels, but I would say personally these are comfortable and I definitely recommend them to you guys. First up is this geoprint dress, and I'm wearing a 4XL and the price is $26. This dress has a notch collar, V neckline, and functional buttons going down the bust area. I do love the sleeve on this dress. It's a long balloon sleeve which has a elasticized cuff, but it doesn't have much stretch in the waist. Unfortunately, this dress is a little bit tight for me in the bust area, and it's also a little bit sheer, but 4XL is the biggest size they carry in this dress, so I definitely have to return it, which I'm so sad about because the print on this dress is just so lovely. It's a super long maxi dress guys, which has a flounce hem detail, and it is lined on the lower part of this dress. It's lined at the skirt area, which I absolutely appreciate, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. If you're a little bit smaller than me or you don't have too much bust, this dress will definitely fit, and I would recommend you guys grab it anyways because it's just such a beautiful dress. Next up is this pink tiered layer dress, and I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $26, and I absolutely love the color of this dress. This is just such a beautiful bright pink color. It's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. This dress has a collar, functional buttons going down the bust area, and it's a 3/4 roll up length sleeve, which I absolutely love, and you have the option to unroll it if you want. There's not much stretch in the waist, but it does have a little bit of stretch. And of course it has the tiered layering going all the way down on this dress, and this is a mini dress, not too mini though, it just meets me a little bit above my knee. I love how flowy this dress is throughout, and I have a lot of room in the bust area, so it's definitely not snug unlike the previous dress. You could definitely wear this with some sneakers, you could wear it with heels, you could dress it up or dress it down. The material on this dress is 100% cotton, so Shein is definitely stepping up their game, and I absolutely love that this dress is lightweight. It's perfect for the warm weather. I am wearing a 4XL in this ruffle hem dress, and the price is $21, and I absolutely love the cream color of this dress. It's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. It has a very deep V neckline guys, so if you're not comfortable showing some boobs, you probably have to wear a undershirt under this dress. And I love that the sleeves are 3/4 length and they're oversized dolman sleeve, which has has ruffle detail at the end of the sleeve. In the back of this dress, it has a tie keyhole detail, and it also has a deep V cut in the back, and the waistline is a smocking panel, so it's very comfortable in the waist. I really love how this sits at my waistline. It's not squeezing or anything. It's very flowy throughout the midsection, this dress, and it has a ruffle hem detail. This is a 100% polyester material, keep that in mind. And I do love that this dress is lined in the skirt area. Shein has definitely stepped up their game with the lining. I feel like most of the dresses had lining in the skirt area. This dress doesn't have pockets, which is okay. I feel like not every dress need a pocket. You could definitely dress this up with heels, or you could wear it with sneakers, whichever you're comfortable with. But I love this dress. Next up is this pink tiered layer dress, and I'm wearing a 4XL, and the price is $19. This dress has a very deep V neckline in front, guys, so you definitely have to wear a undershirt if you're not comfortable showing boobs, because my girls were on full display in this dress. I absolutely love the short sleeve on this dress. It has like cuff short sleeve, and it is a drop shoulder style dress. It has tiered layering going all the way down on this dress, and it's very roomy in the midsection. This is a lightweight 100% cotton material, which is going to be perfect for summer, and this meets me above my knee, and it has this beautiful ruffle flounce hem detail at the end of the dress. You could definitely dress this up with sneakers, you could wear it with heels, and you could wear it with sandals. This is just such a versatile dress, and I love how flowy it is on this dress. I definitely could have sized down to the 3XL, but I'm gonna make the 4XL work for me because I'm not returning this dress. I love it so much. Next up is this oversized balloon sleeve dress, and I'm wearing a 4XL, and the price is $19. This color dress is such a beautiful color. You guys know I love yellow. I think this is why I bought this dress, but this dress is definitely going back. It has a square neckline, long oversized balloon sleeve, and this is why I'm gonna send it back, guys. The cutout detail, I didn't see that it was this much of a cutout dress online, and I'm not too comfortable wearing this dress, but I did try it on for you guys just in case you guys like this dress. So it has a cutout detail at the waistline, and it is a shorter dress, not too short, just a little bit above my knee, and it has a flared skirt detail at the end of the dress. This is a beautiful color dress. Unfortunately, it's just not for me, so it's going back to Shein. Oversized shirts are definitely on trend for spring and summer. I have been seeing them in several different colors. So when I saw this multicolor one on Shein, I just had to get it. I'm wearing a 3XL, and the price is $17. It has a collar, functional buttons going all the way down the front, and it is a long sleeve which has a button cuff. So you could definitely unbutton this and wear it like cuffed or rolled up during the summertime as it gets warmer. I just love how lightweight this is. Also, it's a 100% polyester material. It's also a long oversized shirt, and it's a little bit longer in the back. You could definitely wear this with shorts, you could wear it with jeans, you could wear it with skirt, you could wear it closed, or you could wear it open with a white tee underneath. I think this is just such a versatile shirt, and you guys should definitely grab it. Next up are these wide leg pants, and I'm wearing a 4XL, and the price is $23. I absolutely love that these pants are high-waisted, and it has a very stretchy waistline. There is a stretchy panel in the back of this pants, and it is a looser fit pants. It's very loose in the leg area, and of course it's super long, and it's a wide leg. I definitely could have sized down to a 3XL in this pants because it's super oversized, but I just love the fit. They're calling this a 100% cotton material online, but this is giving me more of a linen fabric. This is just too darn cute. I am 5'6" for reference, and this is very long on me, so if you're shorter than me, then you're definitely gonna have to get this tailored if you do buy this pants. I love the overall look of this pants, so I'm gonna return it and get a 3XL and see if it fits any better, and I do recommend these for the summertime. The last item I'm gonna share with you guys in this haul are these mint green straight leg pants, and I'm wearing a 4XL, and the price is $20. I love that these pants are high-waisted, and it has a zip fly and a hook and eye closure, and it's very stretchy in the waistline, which I love. It sits very comfortable at my waist. This is a straight leg pants, which is a little bit oversized, and I absolutely love the stitch inseam on these pants. It's very comfortable and soft. This is a 100% polyester material, but this is definitely something I'd wear to brunch or work. I can't wait to style it with some white shirt for summer. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. I'm thinking about doing a Boohoo haul or a Eloquii haul. I know that Eloquii is on the more expensive side, but I feel like some items are worth the investment from Eloquii or worth the price from Eloquii. It's gonna last you a long time in your closet. So let me know down below which one you guys are interested in. Bye, guys.